Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and here we are. We have surpassed 1,000 subscribers. I don't know. It's kind of surreal. Kind of can't believe it. I thought I tried to do maybe a little fancy video. I don't know if for a lot of you, you may not have ever seen the 100 subscriber video, and then I decided that's not what I wanted to do. That was neat to do then, but I didn't want to do it this time. So I just want to say thank you. I just really can't believe it. So we are about halfway through. Let me show you this. You guys are always so supportive and have wonderful feedback. Actually going to have a video. I'm going to call it a requested video. It's extra. So all right, so YouTube rolled this out. So I'm about halfway through. So probably maybe in the next, I did some rough math, probably in the next 8 or 9 months I will have enough watch time, because there's two criteria to monetize: 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 365 days. It's a rolling period. You guys again are tremendously supportive and like these things, but I just want to, you guys keep me motivated. And this is really, yes, I make videos for the channel, but truly I get something out of this. You guys keep me motivated. I'm constantly rethinking, retooling things that I learned, revisiting subjects that I have maybe not touched on in a year or two, keeping those fresh, helping me come up with lesson plans. I do this to help. Well, honestly, the real reason why I'm doing this is for to change the trajectory of people's lives, and it makes me better at it. So I just want to say thank you. But all right, here's the chart. So in the past 365 days, 1,921.9 hours watched. YouTube has changed this dynamic, so they already converted over to hours for you. And this trajectory, and it's 381% higher than the previous 365, because come March, the channel will be 3 years old. So these are just all the things I wanted to say in this video, and the kind of cheesy video I did for 100 subscribers would just be, I think I did like a rocket display and had the 100 come. It was cool to make, but that's not what this channel is. I want to make sure that I'm keeping you motivated, because you keep me more than I've ever imagined motivated. It keeps me on task. It keeps me mentally active. And if you do not have a hobby, get one. Okay? It makes you, I thought that was such the cheesiest thing, but now I have converted this interest, hobby, over into something that I have folded into a huge part of my life, that I get to share this with young people, change their lives, because of the simple dynamic of how Python is made. It's beautiful, it's elegant, it's explicit, it's cut and dry. I just said this the other day. Two options, so you have two conditions, and then two outcomes. That's cut and dry. So I just want to say thank you. Thank you more than you can really ever imagine. I wondered from day one, and I went back. Actually, let me show you guys this. I review this every once in a while. That's not what I wanted to see. That I forgot that, and I guess I just blocked it out of my mind, that I went a month or two at the beginning and did not have and I didn't make videos. Let me do this on 50 so you guys can see it. So I paused somewhere around September. Yeah. Went June, so July and August. I went all July and August and realized that I don't really remember if I was frustrated or what. But then shortly thereafter, I think I was doing videos a couple times a week. And then in April, I was like, I decided, was I going to be serious or was I not? Was I all in? And I think I had a discussion with somebody, and they said, well, are you all in or not? And I never thought about that. Are you all in or not? Don't, your time is too precious. If you're not all in with this, that's fine. Find something that you're all in for. Your time is unbelievably valuable. You can make up every other thing, but your time, you have 168 hours in a week, and that's it. And you have to manage it. 168 hours in a week. If we haven't said that yet, that's all you have in a week. And then you chop it up from there. Make your time worth your energy. I know that sounds weird, like it's two different things, but it is. Do something that is important to you, because you're too valuable to waste your own time. So there we go. You guys keep me motivated. I hope I'm doing the same for you. So thank you. From the bottom of my heart, I mean 100% sincerely. There are 1,009 people who are subscribed to this channel. And to be honest, 85% of the views here are non-subscribers. So quick math, 8,000 people rolling average come here. So thank you sincerely from the bottom of my heart. So as always, thanks for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, any video requests. If you know anybody who's struggling with learning Python or programming, send them this link, send them to the channel, and see if we can keep them motivated and keep them interested. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.